Hey guys, what's up? It's Dallas and today we are going to be doing the cutest DIY ever. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own earrings. These are super simple to make. You just need a couple of things and then you can make earrings out of like some old charms or go and buy some charms. These are some polymer clay charms that I actually made these myself, but you can also buy them online and then you can just customize it to like match any outfits that you want, like match it up with like festival outfits, and then it's just personalized and no one else is gonna have like the same earrings as you. I'm honestly like so obsessed with them. I think they turned out super cute, so stay tuned and I will show you what you need to make these earrings. Alrighty, so obviously the first thing you're gonna need is the little dangle charm that you want to have on your earrings. So this is gonna be like your focus point. So I've got a couple of different things. I've got some polymer clay charms that I made for myself, and then I've also got some charms that I just got from the cheap shop. You can also get these at like your local craft stores like Lincraft, or if you're in America you have like your Michaels and stuff like that. They sell heaps and heaps of these things and they're super affordable and can turn them into like the cutest jewelry. The next thing you need is your earring findings. I just got these for $4 at my local craft store, and you're also going to need some jump rings. So again, I got these from my local craft store. Then we're going to take our earring findings, open them up. You're going to grab 2 out and 2 jump rings. Open that up, grab your charm, and then we're just going to pop that charm onto the jump ring. And then you're going to put your earring finding on there as well, and all you have to do is close that up and then your earring is all done. Then I'm going to repeat that with my other charm and the set is finished. And then going ahead and I'm just going to do the same thing with all of my other charms until they are all finished. And as you can see, they turned out so cute, and I've just got so many little pairs of earrings that I can wear with any cute outfit. And that's it. Super easy to make and they turned out super cute. I'm really happy with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course if you did, then please be sure to leave it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more cute little DIY videos, please let me know in the comments below, and you can also subscribe to see more videos. And if you'd like to, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will leave that on the screen, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.